Cotton has a number of different yield-limiting diseases. One of the most important ones to North Carolina growers is nematode damage. We're standing in a field that has high populations of sting, lesion, and root knot nematodes in it. And in this field, we're seeing where we're at a very major hotspot where there's a higher density of these nematodes causing damage to this cotton. You can see from the plants next to me that it causes some stunting, some chlorosis, and general reduced vigor and yield that we'll see later in the growing season. So we're trying out a number of different things to reduce nematode populations and increase yield whilst not breaking the bank with all these different treatments. So one of our trials this year is looking at reducing damages from the most aggressive root knot nematode species we have in the state, Meloidogyne enterolobii, and that's that invasive root knot nematode that was first found on Picara earpod tree in China. So in this trial, we're looking at both host resistance and chemical treatments. For host resistance, we're comparing a phytogen variety that has stacked resistance to root knot nematode and reniform nematode that may provide us that edge we need to manage Meloidogyne enterolobii. We're also comparing that with treatments with fluopyram, either as a broadcast application during the growing season or an in-furrow application where we may see some control during the growing season after planting. So with that, we're seeing some differences in the field where there's increased vigor in some plots versus others, but until the end of the growing season when we collect yield, we won't have that information. Right now there's several different chemical options, either as a seed treatment or we have host resistance to nematodes like southern root knot nematode, and all that information can be found on the cotton portal or on our website. So make sure to check out those resources.
And this research is funded as part of the larger project Find Me, and this project's goal is to reduce the impacts of Meloidogyne enterolobii on crops in the southeast. So if you'd like more information on this project or Meloidogyne enterolobii, check out the website at findmenematode.org.